You don't procrastinate because you're lazy. You procrastinate because your brain is trying to protect you. Every time you delay a task, your brain is choosing short-term emotional relief over long-term success. And today, I'll show you exactly why that happens and the 5 science-backed strategies that can break the cycle. Stay until the end, because the last technique is the one most high performers secretly use. Procrastination is not a time management problem. It's an emotional regulation problem. When a task makes you feel anxiety, overwhelm, self-doubt, your brain looks for the fastest way to feel better. Scrolling, snacking, checking email, reorganizing your desk. It's not random. It's emotional avoidance. You're not avoiding the task. You're avoiding how the task makes you feel. And that small decision, just 5 minutes of relief, creates a loop. Uncomfortable emotion to avoidance, to temporary relief, to guilt, to more discomfort. And the cycle repeats. In a moment, I'll show you a 5-minute reset that can interrupt this loop immediately. But first, you need to understand what's really triggering it. Here are the most common psychological drivers behind procrastination. 1. Fear of failure. If you don't start, you can't fail. 2. Perfectionism. If it can't be great, I won't do it. 3. Present bias. Your brain overvalues rewards now and undervalues rewards later. Netflix now feels better than success later. 4. Low emotional tolerance. Some people were never taught how to sit with the discomfort, so they escape it. 5. Identity conflict. If a task challenges your self-image, your brain resists it. For example, if I try my best and still fail, what does that say about me? Procrastination protects your ego, but it sabotages your future. Now, let's talk solutions, not motivational quotes, not just try harder. Real behavioral psychology. 1. Implementation intentions. Instead of saying, I'll work on the report tomorrow, say, tomorrow at 9 a.m. at my desk, I will open the document and write the introduction. Specific time, specific place, specific action. Your brain responds to clarity. Vague goals create avoidance. Specific plans create movement. 2. The 5-minute rule. The reset. Here's the interruption tool. Tell yourself, I'll do this for just 5 minutes. Set a timer. No commitment beyond that. Why it works. Starting reduces emotional resistance. Action lowers anxiety. Most people continue after 5 minutes. But even if you stop, you've broken the avoidance loop. The next strategy is the one executives and elite performers quietly use, and it has nothing to do with discipline. 3. Environment design remove irritants, phone in another room, website blocker on, workspace clean. Self-control is overrated. Environment design is powerful. Make procrastination harder. Make starting easier. 4. Temptation bundling. Pair something enjoyable with something difficult. Only watch your favorite show while on the treadmill. Only drink your favorite coffee while doing deep work. You attach reward to effort. Your brain adapts. 5. Emotional awareness. The real upgrade. Before you procrastinate, pause and ask, what am I feeling right now? Name it. Anxiety, boredom, imposter syndrome. When you label an emotion, its intensity drops. You don't need to eliminate discomfort. You need to tolerate it. That's psychological maturity. Here's the truth. Procrastination is not about productivity. It's about emotional courage, the ability to start even when you feel uncertain, the ability to move even when you feel imperfect. The most productive people aren't fearless. They're just willing to act while uncomfortable. So, here's my question for you. When you procrastinate, what emotion are you actually avoiding? Is it fear of failure? Perfectionism? Overwhelm? Write it in the comments, one word. Let's make it conscious. Because once you see the pattern, you can break it. And if this helped you understand yourself better, subscribe. We don't fix behavior here, we understand it. And that's where real change begins.